One of the possible causes of arthritis is zinc deficiency. In these cases, it is recommended to eat oysters, horse meat, wholemeal bread, egg yolk, fish, and shellfish. Another cause may be vitamin D deficiency, which is poorly present in foods. It is found in cod liver oil, in some fish such as sardines, salmon, and herring, and in small quantities in egg yolk. The main source of vitamin D remains exposure to the sun. In the case of arthrosis, there is likely to be a deficiency of vitamin F, which is provided by evening primrose oil, Enothera biennis, and borage seed oil. It may also be useful to take sulfur, which protects joints, by consuming animal proteins, eggs, beans, onions, and garlic. Finally, vitamin C is recommended, which is found in peppers, kiwis, citrus fruits, tomatoes, and cruciferous vegetables. Avoid foods that are too rich in copper, such as oily fruits and offal.